senior student in the construction science program at Texas A&M University. This past summer, I had the opportunity to complete an internship with Balfour Beatty Construction at the Texas A&M White Creek Apartments project. This project was originally constructed last year, but due to the immense settling of the building, we had to come in this summer and perform repairs on all the plumbing stacks, CLPs, and windows, and perform some structural stud repairs as well. Here is the layout of the 3 buildings that we are working on for this project. This is our office, which is a repurposed unit that we use. On the whiteboards, we have all of the structural, plumbing, and CLP repairs tracked for each building. These are the elevations of the buildings with marked up windows to indicate which windows are functional or not. Here we have skilled laborers working on lifts to work on the non-functional windows by removing the existing caulking and re-nailing the sills down to see if we can get the windows operational again. Here is a walkthrough through one of the corridors in the buildings to show all of the demolition that we have done to expose the plumbing stacks and find any necessary repairs. All of the corridors in the 3 buildings look like this, as well as all of the units. Here you can see just 2 of the hundreds of plumbing stacks that we had to expose to see if there was anything wrong with them. And if there was a problem, we would have to dismantle the stack and repair it so that we could mitigate any issues and prevent any future problems. This is an example of the structural repairs that we had to do on this project. Many of the plumbing tees broke off during the settling of the building because the studs that they ran through were not properly overcut to allow for settling. So here we would notch out the stud so that the pipe had a proper overcut, but since we notched out the stud, it took away some of the structural integrity. In these cases, we had to attach a 1.5 inch steel angle to the front and back of the stud per the structural engineer so that they could still bear all of the loads from the building. Here are the CLP hold downs that we had to expose and correct. These CLPs run all the way from the slab to the top of the building, and they are designed to assist with the shear load on the building. They consist of an all-thread rod running the entire height of the building with heavy-duty springs on every floor. In some cases, the springs were not activated, so we had to activate the springs so that the CLP can operate properly. Now that I've shown you some of the things that I've got to experience during my internship, I would like to take the opportunity to thank Balfour Beatty Construction and my project team for a great internship and the opportunity to learn so much knowledge about the construction industry. Thanks for watching my video.